Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is called Tabitha Giselle. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to contour your nose and give you a snatched nose. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and let's get started. So to start off with contouring your nose, I am just going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, shade Beauty Bronze, and I'm using this to sketch basically where I'm going to apply the product to contour my nose. So that's what I am doing. I prefer to do it this way. Sometimes I just draw the lines, but I just wanted to show you specifically for this video. The next thing that you're going to want to use is an angled blending brush. I am using this blending brush here, which I purchased from Amazon. I will put the link below of the brushes that I've used. All I am basically doing is dragging that product, as you can see, on the sides of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and really just shaping it into my eyebrows. That's how I think it looks really natural that way, because then it looks like, you know, just like as if your natural bone is following your eyebrows and then into your nose. So I really like that. So all I'm just doing is just going in and blending those sides and making sure that everything looks seamless. The one thing about using cream products is that you need to make sure you blend them out very well. I'm going in furthermore with a beauty blender, and this is just to get rid of any harsh edges. It is going to take a little bit of blending and time, but I can reassure you guys, your nose is going to be looking snatched and contoured to the gods. So that's what I am doing, and just really taking my time. Next thing that you're going to want to do is to apply a lighter concealer in the center of the nose. This will just help to bring light to that area, not too much light because we've just contoured and made the nose look smaller, so we don't want to apply too much lighter concealer, otherwise then our nose is going to look bigger than what we want it to look like. So it's just a little bit of product, just blending that in nicely and taking your time, making sure you don't really move into where we've sculpted and sketched our contour. So that's all I'm just doing, and dragging that to the like little I call it my button nose area rather, and I'm just dragging it to there. Then I'm going in again with the angled brush, blending out the like bottom of my nose, just creating a little bit of a cute kind of pulled and snitched nose so that it really looks like so natural. Then the next thing that you're going to do is apply some powder at the sides of where we've contoured. This is again to give it more of an illusion and more of a definition, so I am doing that. Then what you're going to do is to set that contoured area, you're going to go in with a pressed powder. I'm using the Maybelline Pressed powder in the shade Caramel, and that's what I'm just going in and setting that area so that the product doesn't move. So that's what I'm going to do. And then last but not least, guys, we're going to blend that powder off. Then we're going to do the last thing, which is applying highlighter into the center of the nose, just to add a bit of shimmy and a bit of a golden touch, so that, you know, our nose looks really put together and stands out more. So that's all I'm just doing with like a blending brush, and that is it literally for how to contour your nose. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, dolls. Mwah.